In this quick video, we're going to talk about taking your tax practice paperless. Paper is expensive, it's heavy, it's a pain in the butt to manage, and your life will be vastly improved if you go paperless. So, how do we do that in this system? Well, there's three pieces to being a paperless office. You need to be able to store the source documents from your taxpayer. You need to be able to deliver them a copy of their tax return as well as capture their signature. So let's talk about that for a second. So in the software, we have, I'm going to go to my client search here. This is the client we're working on here. I'm going to click on this drop down and you're going to see I've got this scan document option. So if I click into scan documents, I click upload document. And just click right here and browse out. I'm going to go to pictures because I scanned them in, and we're going to grab this guy's driver's license right here. I'm going to scan this one in as well. Click open, and boom, both of those files are now loaded into the software. If I click save uploaded documents, you're going to see that they're right here. At any time, I can just click on it just to view that image. And this guy, if you've seen the movie, stupid movie, you'll know exactly what that's from. And if you want to see their W-2, you just click on it. Boom, there's an example W-2, and you can prepare the return right from there. All right. Now, if you are in the individual's return, which I'm going to now jump into the return. Doo-doo-doo. All right. Up at the top of the return, if I click on the drop down, I can see that I've got this scanned documents here as well. Now, those images that I just scanned from outside the return are also available to me here as well. All right, very, very simple. So now that I've got the document storage taken care of, I need to be able to deliver them their tax return as well. So in the last part I'm going to touch on is the signature. So to deliver them the tax returns, real simple. I click back in the client search, back on my tools, email a return. I'm going to add in a file password. Now, we are all about security. We understand that passwords are a pain in the butt. So what we say to do, come up with a standard file naming convention, whether you've used their last name, last four of social, and a standard special character, whatever it is, so that they know or you can communicate to them what that will be. So you're going to put in that password here, put in their email address if you want to put in your email address for them to respond to here, their tax return information, and there's a generic message that's already there. Click send email, and the return goes, and now they have a copy of their tax return. All right, very, very simple. I'm going to cancel out of here. And now let's talk about signing. If the client is in front of you, you have a number of options to have them sign the tax return. If you have purchased a signature pad, which there are two of them that integrate with the software. If you have a Topaz, great, we can utilize that. If you have a scriptlet, great, we can utilize that. If you don't have either, no problem. You can actually sign using your mouse, and or if you have a touchscreen enabled device, maybe you're working on an iPad or a laptop, they can actually sign right on that screen there as well. So let me show you that. We'll talk about a couple of items in greater detail later, like the use of the customer portal and the phone application, the phone app, to accomplish these purposes as well. But we'll assume for the time being that the taxpayer is in front of you. You've reviewed the documents with them, right? You've printed out a copy, you've talked with them, or you've reviewed it on the screen, and now they're ready to sign their return. At this point, you would click on taxpayer signature. The taxpayer would click sign. They would apply their signature, click save, and you can see now that the signature is there. Click sign again for the spouse, sig, cool. Click save, bam. Again, this warning is because I did not select this return to be a bank product. Thus, you would need to collect fees up front, and the program's just telling me, hey, make sure you get paid. All right. Signatures are there. Now anything I print would have that signature on it. I can email them their return from inside the return as well. You can also scan documents, like I said, from inside the return. So the three pieces to go paperless are already built into the program. We need to be able to retain documents. So we've got the save scan documents in here. We've got the signature portion, so we can electronically capture their signature, and we can also deliver that to them electronically through email as well. Again, there are other tools that we have that you can utilize for this purpose, such as the customer portal. That'll be another video, and the phone app as well, which is an entirely another video as well. So we've got a lot of amazing tools to help you accomplish these feats, and hopefully you're encouraged. We got you. Thanks so much. All the best.